These gadgets not only make our life easy, but they also help us lead a healthier life. Links of all gadgets in the video are given below in the description. So let's get started. When you're in the kitchen and doing all the dishes, the most frequent thing that you're gonna use is your kitchen faucet. As traditional faucets are very clumsy, why not use a smarter faucet? Introducing the Delta Voice IQ module, which can turn your Delta Touch 20 faucet into a voice-controlled one. Its integrated Voice IQ technology allows it to dispense exactly the same amount of water you need, so it will help you prevent wasting of water. This device pairs with your Amazon Alexa and your Google Assistant that lets you turn the water on or off, warm up, and much more, making your faucet smarter like never before. With this faucet, you can set custom dispensing amounts for your coffee pot, water bottle, or jog bowl precisely. And its hand washing feature provides you a proper timing for lathering, scrubbing, and rinsing your hands as well. The Delta Voice IQ module is an amazing device that can make your kitchen smart and more efficient than ever. Introducing the Paragon cooking system, a powerful induction cooktop that lets you cook food with a precise temperature effortlessly. It has the magnetic energy, which directly heats pots and pans. And it offers a powerful 1200-watt induction burner that heats food quickly to your desired temperature. Its precise and cutting-edge control technology enables stunning, repeatable results for sautéing, simmering, searing, saucing, and a variety of challenging yet essential cooking every time. It also offers a mobile companion app that you can connect to your smartphone and monitor your cooking easily. After taking your meals, it's time to do the dishes, which is indeed a painful task to do. But have no worries, because we have the NOVETE, a compact water tank dishwasher that quickly and efficiently cleans tableware, wine glasses, baby bottles, and much more without any mess, so that your shoulder gets some relief. This countertop appliance holds a standard capacity of 4 place settings and can fit up to 12-inch dishes loaded at an angle, which makes it just perfect for small-sized houses, dorms, and campers or RVs. It comes with a storage rack and cutlery basket, which makes it easy to clean safe items such as knives, forks, and spoons. Besides, it includes fruit baskets that store fruits and vegetables neatly and cleans them efficiently with ease. With the 5 wash cycle options, its speed mode cleans dishes in just 29 minutes, so whenever you're in a hurry and want your dishes ready faster, this dishwasher will be the one to your savior. With a 3-in-1 system, it features a dishwasher, dryer, and a cabinet function, which makes taking care of your dishes and glassware a breeze. Besides, it offers 60 minutes of hot air drying and 72 hours of automatic intermittent ventilation that can keep dishes dry and preventing odors. With 2 water supply modes, you can connect it with a faucet or from its built-in 5-liter water tank, giving you the freedom to wash your dishes as per your convenience. Well, after spending some time in research, we thought of showing something that can do all the work by itself. So introducing Oliver Smart, a cooking robot that automates all the steps in cooking a recipe just for you. Running this robot is pretty simple. You just need to follow 3 easy steps. Just choose a recipe that you want, prep the ingredients, load the jars, and walk away because Oliver does the rest. It offers the Oliver app that is preloaded with hundreds of unique cuisines from around the world, allowing you to discover flavors and dishes you've only dreamed about making in your kitchen. Designed for easy cleanup, its quick disassembly and dishwasher-safe components ensure you can clean all the jars, mixing arm, lid, and cook pot simply and easily. The Oliver Smart Cooking Robot is a life-changing kitchen gadget that lets you have food or risotto effortlessly in no time. You can find the links of all these gadgets in the description. So guys, please thumbs up, subscribe the channel, and press the bell icon to get updates about my all upcoming videos.